Hi, my name is Jim and I was retired. This is going to be a short video outside with the little camera again. And I'm going to ask the question, did I make a mistake? Now, there are two things we're going to cover in this video, and one of them is Roth conversions. My wife and I both made some Roth conversions in November-December time frame. And I used a couple tax calculations, including the new retirement Roth conversion calculator for 2023, as well as my own spreadsheets, and tried to figure out how much of a Roth conversion I could make and still stay within the $100,000 gross income that New Jersey has for retirement income exclusion. We made those Roth conversions, moving some dollars out of tax-deferred bucket and into the tax-free bucket, which is a good thing, particularly at a low tax bracket. But you have to worry about these little tripwires, and I was trying to avoid the one in New Jersey where you have a 100% retirement income exclusion up to a gross income of $100,000. And then from there to $125,000, you have a 50% exclusion. That's right, 50% of your retirement income is now taxed in the state of New Jersey if you go over by $1. Well, extra income came in through the brokerage accounts and the savings accounts, the high yield savings accounts. Maybe I wasn't accounting for those, but I just tripped over that line. And we're going to end up owing about $250 in New Jersey taxes. So if that's the only problem, then maybe it wasn't such a bad thing. Yes, some of my retirement income is taxed at New Jersey, but with the level of income overall, I'm still taxed at a lower tax rate than I will be in later years. Hey, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel if you like entertaining ideas from a DIY retiree. I'm not selling a course. I'm not trying to manage your money. I just want to share my ideas so that your retirement might get a little better. So that's the first, did I make a mistake? Now the second is the fixed indexed annuity that Marie had that was in our bucket 3 as a domestic bond, 3% a year, but you could do better than that, and it was locked in. We were out of the surrender period, and I figured this was the year, 2024, to take and surrender the whole policy, take income now, be taxed on the gain, and we will be this year, and avoid having it trickle out as income in later years at higher tax rates. I made that decision. It's done. So we've now transferred those assets from the domestic bond in bucket 3 to equity in bucket 3, as well as bucket 1. We're using some of that money to live on this year, so it's in bucket 1 in high yield savings accounts. That has actually helped improve the asset allocation. We're now at about 58-42 overall. Marie's was definitely improved by getting out of something that was trapped in a fixed income investment and more diversified into equity and fixed income investments. So, did I make a mistake? I don't know. I'm not paying a 1% AUM fee. I'm doing this on the fly, and I'm trying to stay within the principles that I outlined for our retirement. Moving towards a 60-40 pie in asset allocation overall, and in my 3 buckets. Bucket 3 is now 100% equity, which is a good thing, I think, in the end. Bucket 2 is about a 60-40 split, and bucket one is all fixed income, bank, treasuries. So I won't go back to the computer. It's too beautiful a day for March 1 to go back on the computer. I'll stay out here and I'll just show you some pie charts of where I am after this getting rid of the fixed indexed annuity and reinvesting. If you look at the bucket structure, bucket one asset classes now are cash, treasury bills, one CD. And it'll stay in that high quality cash-like 100%. Bucket two assets are 40% large cap stock, dividend paying VIG, and the balance of it in fixed income, including treasury bills, tips, I-bonds, and some domestic bonds. And bucket three is all equity now. 74% large cap stock, a little 12% international, 9% small cap, and 6% REITs. Overall, I'm happy with the bucket structure that we've got here. I should also point out that in the adjustments with the Roth conversions, I'm now at about 16% with tax-free in the tax buckets. So that's an improvement as well. Roth conversions in December triggered a little bit more state tax in 2023 than I was expecting because of tripping over that retirement income exclusion level. And for 2024, we have made our move. We have surrendered the annuity, realized the gain this year with these tax brackets that we're in now, and we're moving forward. And in the end, that's all you can do. I'm interested in how you're starting your year. How did you get any tax surprises? Put some comments below about how your tax season has been going. I'm done my taxes. They're filed. I'm getting a little bit back from the federal and paying a little at the state. Try to keep those as minimal as possible by planning ahead rather than getting a huge refund. Why loan the government a interest-free loan? So as always, I will conclude with my standard warning. I am not a professional. I'm certainly not a tax accountant. I have no initials after my name, so take these as entertaining ideas from one educated consumer to another. Always do your own due diligence and seek out a professional if you need one. See ya.